Hey people, what's up? I hope you guys are doing amazing. I'm David and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be speaking about the Google Ads bidding strategy Enhanced CPC. But before we do that, here is a link to my previous video on the manual CPC bidding strategy. I urge you guys to go ahead and check it out and then come back to this video. For those who are interested in digital advertising platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads and a lot more, I urge you guys to go ahead and smash that subscribe button because I have a lot more content coming your way. Now let's go ahead and learn some Google Ads. What is the Enhanced CPC bidding strategy? In this bidding strategy, Google still lets us set our maximum cost per click. However, if Google feels that a particular click can lead to a conversion, then Google can choose to increase the bids on the same. And vice versa, if Google feels that a particular click might not lead to a conversion, then Google can choose to decrease the bids on the same. For example, if you've set your maximum cost per click at rupees 20, and in an ad auction, Google feels a particular keyword can get us a conversion if the bidding amount is increased from 20 to 25, then Google can go ahead and increase the maximum cost per click to rupees 25 in order to try and achieve that conversion. And vice versa, if Google feels a particular keyword might not get a conversion in a particular ad auction, then Google can choose to reduce the amount so as to save budget for the times when a conversion can be achieved. The next step is to understand how we can set our campaign to the Enhanced CPC bidding strategy. Let's dive into the Google Ads interface and have a look at the same. So we're back to the test campaign that we had previously created, and in that we are in the campaign settings. Under campaign settings, we head over to bidding. Now Google gives us a guidance to be able to choose what our best bidding strategy should be. However, we want to select it directly. We'll go ahead and click on select bid strategy directly. And once we're in that, we'll go ahead and choose manual CPC. And in this case, we will leave this option checked. Now you can optimize for conversions or conversion value depending upon how many conversions your ad account has or your campaign has. So if you have many conversions of different value, then you can go ahead and choose optimize for conversion value. However, if majority of your conversions have a similar value, then I would recommend choosing optimize for conversions itself. And then go ahead and hit on save. And that's it. Your campaign is now set to the Enhanced CPC bidding strategy. In order for us to get the Enhanced CPC bidding strategy to work for us, we need to understand the pros and cons of this bidding strategy. So let's dive in and understand a few of the pros and cons so that we can optimize our campaigns better using this bidding strategy. So these are the pros and cons of the Enhanced CPC bidding strategy. Let's start off with the pros. So we get better control than automated bidding strategies, of course, because we still have control over the maximum cost per click of the campaign. We see better performance than manual CPC. This is solely due to the intervention of the Google machine learning, and lesser maintenance is required than manual CPC. So in manual CPC, we had to manually go in and reduce bids on keywords that are not performing well or increase bids on those that are performing well. In this case, Google machine learning does that for us. So let's move over to the cons of the Enhanced CPC bidding strategy. So in the Enhanced CPC bidding strategy, we notice that our cost per clicks are higher than in manual CPC. This is due to the intervention of the Google machine learning. For Enhanced CPC, there is a need to set up conversion tracking because you are either optimizing for conversions or for conversion value. So if your campaigns are focused towards awareness or consideration, then this is not the bidding strategy for you. And I recommend trying out another bidding strategy. We have lesser control than we had in manual CPC. The reason for which is Google makes changes to our maximum cost per click to be able to get the best out of our campaign. Knowing when to use the Enhanced CPC bidding strategy is everything. The reason for this is it is a combination of manual control as well as Google machine learning control. So let's dive in and understand situations in which we can use this Enhanced CPC bidding strategy. So these are the scenarios in which you should use the Enhanced CPC bidding strategy. Let's say you have a campaign in which you have been running manual CPC and have accumulated a good amount of conversion data and want to switch over to an automated bidding strategy. You use Enhanced CPC as a transition between manual CPC to automated bidding strategies. Now the reason for this is very simple. Under manual CPC, you have complete control over the bidding. Under automated bidding strategies, Google has complete control over the bidding. However, Enhanced CPC is the bidding strategy in which part of the control belongs to you and part of the control belongs to Google. This gives your campaign enough of time to optimize for the transition between manual CPC to automated bidding strategies. Another such situation in which you can use enhanced CPC is when you need to control your CPC and try to push performance at the same time. So Google still gives you control over your maximum cost per click, which you can control under enhanced CPC. And due to the intervention of the Google machine learning, you can try to push performance at the same time.
So people, this is all about the enhanced CPC bidding strategy, and if you guys have any questions about this topic, please let me know in the comments and I will definitely get back to you about it. I urge you guys to stay tuned for my next video, which is going to be about the maximized clicks bidding strategy, which is the first fully automated bidding strategy that we're going to be talking about. If you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. This is it for today. Goodbye until next time.